What is better, paper or screen? We say, why not have both? Maybe you've already heard of ePaper or electronic paper. Maybe you even had one in your hands as an ebook reader, for example. Many supermarkets also already use them as price labels. Today we'll show you what an ePaper is, how it works, where it can be used, and what the pros and cons are. So let's get started! What does that even mean, electronic paper? It's a display that mimics the characteristics of paper. It has really good readability because it has a high contrast and doesn't reflect as much as normal screens do. It's also very energy saving because such an ePaper only needs power when the image changes. That means it can display something without any power supply. That's really practical if you want to read a book or put up a sign, for example. There are different types of ePapers. The most common one is electrophoresis. These work with tiny microcapsules, and depending on the voltage, they can bring electrically charged black or white pigments to the surface. And a bunch of those microcapsules together create an image. Colors are made by putting colored filters over those microcapsules, and they then filter the light. The application of these ePapers are really diverse, whether as a price display in supermarkets, as a flexible signage in offices, warehouses, logistics, meeting rooms, and at airports. These ePapers are really useful. They can also be used as ebook readers, as smartwatches, or any other device that needs long battery life. For example, we like to use our MyExpert ePaper as name tags on conventions, on warehouse shelves, on storage boxes, or as tool display. The options are really endless here, and you can get really creative. By the way, if you want to know more about this, check out the link in the description. Of course, also ePaper have cons. They need more time to change an image. Depending on the ePaper, that can be between 0.1 and 5 seconds. That is definitely too long for videos or more complex animations. They're also more complicated in producing, which makes them more expensive when purchasing. Also, most of them have limited color range. Those still look good, as you can see, but just not as good as normal screens. But still, they're energy saving, consume less material, and have really good readability. They are and remain a really exciting and promising technology. So whether or not an ePaper is something for you depends entirely on what you want to use it for. You can also consult us first without any obligation. Hopefully you liked this video and found it helpful. Feel free to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about technology and industry. See ya!